In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add grid lines, guides, and rulers in Canva. Whether you're a beginner just getting started with Canva or a seasoned designer looking to streamline your process, knowing how to set up guides and rulers can dramatically enhance your workflow. So let's dive right in and get you set up for success. First things first, we'll start by opening up your design file in Canva. If you haven't already, log into your Canva account and open up the project you're working on. Once you've got your design on the screen, the next step is to navigate to the top menu. Here, you'll find a button labeled File. Click on File to open a drop-down menu. As you're working through these steps, it's essential to keep in mind that Canva is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. If you're ever unsure, taking a moment to explore menus can uncover helpful features. After selecting File, you will see an option labeled Settings within the drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you start customizing your design space to ensure everything lines up just as you envision. It's always advised to spend a moment to familiarize yourself with these settings, as they can offer you greater control over your design workflows. Now, while you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to look for an option that reads Show Rulers and Guides. Clicking this will activate rulers along the top and side of your design interface. These rulers are vital in helping you align elements accurately and maintain consistent spacing. Many designers find this feature indispensable when it comes to keeping everything neatly aligned, a crucial aspect of professional design work. Moving forward, the next thing you want to do is add guides to your design. Guides are like invisible lines that you can snap your elements to, ensuring everything is aligned perfectly. In the menu where you enabled your rulers, you should see an option to add guides. Clicking this will allow you to set specific guides according to the measurements on your rulers. Keep in mind, guides and rulers aren't visible in your finished design, but they play an instrumental role throughout the design process. Using them effectively can save you time and help you produce cleaner, more organized designs. As you continue to evolve and enhance your skills in Canva, experimenting with guides and automatic snapping can open up new possibilities for precision. That's it. You've now learned how to add grid lines, guides, and rulers in Canva. By taking these steps, you've laid the groundwork for more precise and professional projects. Feel free to play around and adjust these settings as you continue to refine your skills and discover your unique design style. Happy designing!